Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how you can batch remove my notifications from your role center from Business Central or Dynamics Nav. Business Central, because I'm still using Business Central 14, and so I still have the Windows client. On the role center of the Windows client, you can see my notifications. For some users, then you may see a bunch of notifications, including like if you have background posting turned on, then there will be lots of notifications generated. And if you scheduled any report to run, it also appears in the notification. And if you have other colleagues who send you notifications, it will appear under your notifications as well. So once you accumulated tens of notifications under my notifications on your role center, how you can batch remove it? Because if you can see, like I cannot multi-select my notifications and delete them. So if I want to remove them, I have to highlight each one and then click on remove notification. That's too much work. Think about like you have thousands of notifications here. So, but what is the table behind my notifications for you to remove the records? If you just use the help, you will not see any information like what is the source table for my notifications. And there's another part which is confusing. If you go to the development environment, then you could see if you search the keyword notification, like what I'm doing here, then you will see a bunch of tables here, which is most possible will be this role center notifications, and there's some my notifications. But this my notifications is the smart notification, which will show you like there's a low inventory. It's not the notifications, my notifications we are talking about here. So actually that is the my notifications. Those are the smart notifications, like the inventory level is low, the customer has overdue balance or credit limit exceeded, all those kinds of notifications. So it's not the same notifications we are talking about here. So if you run this table, you can see how it looks like. So those are the smart notifications. And also this role center notification. So you could see I have two notifications here on my role center, but if you run this table, right now I don't have anything, okay? So which means this is not the table for the notifications on my role center. So there's a table which is a system table, and that table is called the record link. So this system table is actually the table which store the records for my notifications. If you run this record link table, and then you will see I already have two records here. Actually, those are the notifications appear on my role center. So if you delete them, you can batch delete. If you have 10 of them, then you can select everything. You can just click on this corner and select everything and then delete all the records, okay? So after you deleted them, then if you go back to your role center, you should see those records under my notification in your role center should be gone. Okay, so let's delete this way. Let's delete the line, okay? And click on OK. And then let's refresh my role center. You could see my notifications is gone. So actually, the table behind this my notifications on the role center is the record link. But what if you are using Business Central SaaS tenant? If I look at my Business Central SaaS tenant, you could see on my role center of the business manager, I also have a report inbox. This is actually if you are using the Business Central version 14 or earlier, that's what appear on the Windows client under my notifications as well. So if you are using Business Central SaaS, there's not a good way for you to do it because you do not have access for the backend table. Either you have to create a processing report through an extension and then use that processing report to clear this recording table. And because if you want to use configuration package to clear it, you will not be able to see system table under the configuration package, right? So let's say I create a configuration package and I just want to remove the recording table. Let's do this. And then if you look at the tables and if you search by that table ID, you will not be able to see this table at all because you cannot put system table on your configuration package. there's no result for this table. So that's why you have to either, if you want to clear it for a Business Central SaaS tenant from this report inbox, then you either have to use create an extension for a processing report to clear this table, or you have to install some extensions then you can download from the GitHub, which can clear table records. Okay, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.
Thank you for watching this Archer Point video. Stay in the know with the latest on Microsoft Dynamics by subscribing to our channel. You can also learn more from our blog at archerpoint.com or email info@archerpoint.com to contact us. See you in the next video.